job, Zoe. Y'all are both like really creative.
And it's my honor and pleasure to bring to you STEM Central Louisiana. This program was sponsored by the Department of Defense. Today, you're going to do many different activities, hands-on activities in math. Our K through second graders, you're going to build a kite. Our third through 12th graders, you're going to make your own pendulum.
He excels in math. That's something that he enjoys. So for this activity, I think it was, spot on.
Y'all are super smart, and just throughout the day, like with every activity that we have done, y'all have done amazing at it.
That is
awesome. Check it out.
Cool, look at that.
Welcome to STEM Shreveport, presented by the Department of Defense STEM. Who's ready to build a float? I know I am. Who's ready to learn about electrochemical through activities and circuits?
Oh, nice. Oh, I see the feathers in the corner. Okay, fancy.
I never thought I would design my own Mardi Gras float, so I thought that was fun.
Yeah, I'm excited today about STEM Saturday, the physics of sound. So our K through second graders, you're gonna make a guitar. Third through 12th graders, you're gonna make a xylophone.
And just drum a beat right quick. I love it. Yes, ma'am.
Let's all play a song at once with our xylophone.
3, 2, 1.
Are you guys having fun with this activity?
Yes, I'm having fun.
You're having fun? That's awesome. I'm so glad.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Gulf Coast. Welcome to STEM Saturday. And this week, we're going to be doing hydraulics. So our activity for today, our big build, our little scientists are going to build a hydraulic elevator.
Are you playing the elevator music?
Yeah.
And our older scientists are going to build an hydraulic bridge.
I think it's getting her interested in it to know how things actually operate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming. I'm so glad you had fun.
Whoa, watch out!
What's up?
Yes, welcome to STEM Nola STEM Saturday, our first in-person event since the onset of the pandemic, and I'm so excited.
I'm making a rocket ship.
2, 3, woo!
I homeschool my kids, so to be able to find something tangible in the science, technology, engineering, and math world, it's amazing.
This is our coming out day. STEM Nola is back.
1,